Good morning, guys. I'm outside. Ooh, look at that ice. That is all ice right there. Top of my house. Ice. I have tiny little icicles. Let me see if I can show you. There we go. Ice. Go take a shot of the cars. It is just way too cold to go to work today. Look at that. Icicles. There's ice on my tires. Ice on my windows. Yeah, there's no way that's coming off. So yeah, not going to work today. They've closed all the bridges. This is as close as we've gotten to snow here in 20 years. Look at the bed of my husband's truck. Oh my God, this is horrible. All the little birds are not sure what to think about this. Ooh, okay. Ice, I just wanted to show you this morning. There is no way I'm going to work in this today. They've closed all the bridges anyway, so I can't go anywhere. So I'm going back inside. I just wanted to show you. Bye. Okay, guys. I have to go pee the dog, but I wanted to show you something here. Whip pan. That is all my little plants. I feel so bad for them. I really do. They got frozen. Look, here's my table. That is solid ice on there. Ice on the dog house. The dog is not outside. She is in my daughter's room, which is outside. We have this shed that actually we transformed into a little house. And Lily, there you are. Good morning. Good morning. You got a pee? Yeah? Oh, you're probably thirsty too. Well, good grief. How does this doghouse work? Okay, she whiz. And the water is everywhere. Okay, come on. Go, go. Come on. You gotta pee and you can't pee inside. Okay, come on. Come on, you big chicken. Come on, Lily. Lily, come on. Okay, so here's Lily. She's not happy. You gotta pee. I know you have to go pee. I know you have to go. Yeah, I'm trying to get this dog to go potty somewhere out here. And, yeah. But this is my backyard. It's all crunchy. Lily, say hello to YouTube. Hello. It's my grandpuppy. You have to go potty. She doesn't want to go pee because it's cold. Lily, you have to go potty. All right. Well, you're gotta stay out here for a minute then, because you can't go potty in the house. All right. Poor puppy. You can't stay outside. It's too cold. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my backyard. Lily. Lily, what do you think of the cold? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Quit walking around me and go pee. Let's go look at the tree. Okay, I'm back out. I had to go get a coat. I'm hoping if I stand out here for a minute. Oh, all my little oranges are covered in... Look, they're covered in ice. I hope they're okay. I'm sure they'll be fine. When it warms up, I'll come pick them. And my grapefruit. They're covered in ice, but they're still soft, so I guess they're fine. She's not happy walking around in this. I'm hoping she'll find a spot and decide to go pee. Oh! She's not happy walking around in the cold. She's like, this sucks. This is terrible. I don't like it. Okay, did you give in and go pee? Yeah, that's cold on your feet, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, we're going in. Bye. Cuddles. Cuddles, what do you think of Lily? Lily. Cuddles, what do you think of Lily? Yeah. Lily. Lily, come say hi to the kitty. Lily. Lily. She says you're mean. She says you're mean. What are you? Why are you mean? Cuddy. Cuddles. Why are you mean to the dog? Leo. They are disgusted that the dog is inside. You're evil. It's freezing out. You want the dog to freeze? Cuddles. You want the dog to freeze? Yeah? Yeah? Don't you like the dog? Stop that. Hello. Stop chewing. Stop chewing. Stop chewing. Stop it. Stop it. Well, anyway, that's what's going on today on my snow day that I get to stay home. Actually, it's more of a nice day, I guess. So I'm gonna let you go and I'll be back later. Bye.